still don't know how to prepare pineapple fried rice. Well, here's the recipe. As you all know, I joined the Hilda Bass's Home to Pro class. So this is one of the recipe. Well, we're learning from there. So I'm just trying this out for the first time. And trust me, guys, this food came out so delicious. At first, when I used to see this food online, I was like, oh, are they trying to eat sugar? How can you eat sugar rice? Well, this is not it. Since I joined this Home to Pro class, trust me, my cooking game changed. When I was much younger, I used to be a person that hated kitchen. I hated cooking until a day came my dad asked me to prepare food for him. So after I prepared that dish, in my mind now, the struggle, I was like, this man will lick his hand after eating this food. But when I served him the food, he said, what kind of rubbish food is this? Is this what you will serve to your husband when you get married? So when you get married, you tell me, Daddy, please, how do they used to make that stew? How do I used to cook that soup? Wow, that was the most embarrassing day of my life because his friends were around. So since then, I said, I can't take this insult again. I had to learn how to cook at least to save myself from embarrassing moments like that. And here I am now, fully inspired to cook better and serve better. Thanks for watching. See you in my next upload. Bye.